When it comes to trading psychology, there are many things that you need to look at, but one of the key issues that most people face is FOMO. 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 It stands for fear of missing out. What if I missed a trade that was going to make me rich? So I have to do it now. Or what if I don't hit my target? What if I don't reach my goals today? What if this trade is the one that's going to help me recover all my losses? What if this is a trade that is going to help me hit my daily target? What if this is the one trade that changes my life? This is one of the most common issues that arise when the discussion about trading psychology comes up. Because here's the thing, the market is designed to exploit your fear and your greed against you. And it is designed by the best psychologists in the world. People who have studied the human brain for many years and have tested out what works and what does not. What triggers what action. They know how to get you to do something without you even realizing it. So to get over FOMO, the first thing I would advise is many people who get into trading for the first time come from an employee background, meaning you are working as an employee. And what ends up happening is you set up your daily targets as if you're deciding on your salary. So for example, you want to earn like 30,000 a month or 60,000 a month. You sit there and you start dividing. Okay, so if I need 60,000 a month, I have this many trading days, maybe 20 trading days. 20 divided by 60 is 3,000. So I need to make 3,000 rupees every single day. Every single trading day, I need to hit 3,000 rupees. This is how many of you who come from an employee background set your targets. And that's the reason you have FOMO. You have the fear of missing out. What if I don't make 3,000 rupees today? And that is the worst approach you can take. Because, like I said in many videos, trading is like business. You don't make money every single day. Some days you lose money. But at the end of the month or at the end of the year, are you in profits? Are you in big profits? Because like I said, you can earn 10% a month. That's a realistic goal that you can achieve every month. But if you set a daily target, what ends up happening is you feel this compelling need to take a trade every single day, regardless of whether or not you have an opportunity. What I would recommend is plan your risks in such a way where you can hit your target in 1 week. All right, your trading plan should be structured in such a way that you can achieve your monthly target in 5 days. That's how you need to structure your trading plan. And you just have to take these 5 trades over the course of a month. Get 5 good trades over the course of a month, which is not very hard to do. And even if you make a few losses, maybe you have to take 10 trades total in order to hit that target now, or you maybe have to take 15 trades. But by 15 trades, I'm sure you would have hit your target and stop. Genius is knowing when to stop and take the day off. You're done. What I just said is 50% of trading psychology. Your trading plan shouldn't be a plan where you have to work every single day. That's not how businessmen work. They don't work every single day of the month, and that shouldn't be your plan either.